Hello, theology teachers. This is how you set up the Google Sites wiki for the senior mid-year project. So what you do, first thing you do is you go to google.com. Google has updated itself like it does very often, so that if you want more Google tools, you have to go to this little grid right over here that when you go put your mouse over it says apps. So you click it, and you want more than what they give you, so you click more. And you want even more than what they just gave you again, so you click even more. Here, there's all these Google tools that you can use. You scroll all the way down, and right over here on the right is Google Sites. You click that. Now here you can see these are all the sites that I have used. I have created here a little sample wiki, which I will show you later. But this is how you set about creating the wiki website. You go over here on the left, there's a little red button that says Create. You hit it. Now, the best thing to do here, if you're really proficient at it, you can just start with a blank template, but I think the best thing would be to browse the gallery for more, and you get this little search box. I just went up and typed wiki in the search, and I picked this template, a simple wiki template right here. You can pick whichever one you like. You can explore whichever ones you like, but I'm just going to walk you through how you do it with this one. So I click it, and I'll preview it. And right over here on the right, there's this little blue button that says to use the template. So that's what I will do. I will use the template. Okay, now I have to name the site. So again, I'll just name it Sample Wiki 2. And I'll give it a few more numbers in the name, because when it says site location, that means the name of this website, and unless you make it something obscure, maybe with a lot of numbers, they might say you can't use that name. So I'll just put 1976. You can select a theme if you want to. I'll click on it here to show you what I mean. It just means colors and backgrounds. So you can pick whatever you want. Let's do lavender panel. Okay, so we've got a lavender panel theme. And then we've got a little capture here at the bottom, a little code. So you got to enter that code. And we go back up to the top here, and we hit create. Here it comes. It's got the purple color theme here. You can obviously choose whichever one you want. And the way to do it using this template, or using any website on Google Sites, is you go up, you move your mouse up here, and you see there's a little pencil, little diagonal pencil. That is what you click in order to edit. So I click on it, and then all of the fields are now able for you to edit. So this home one, I can leave it called home, or I can name it after the encyclical that I want them to do. So let's do Pacem in Terris. The wiki content, well, recent announcements and all that. You can use that. Announcements here. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Under announcements, there are posts, and this is how it would work for students who wanted to make posts on this particular wiki. So maybe on announcements you want to rename that another thing. Maybe you want to call that Gaudium et Spes. I know that's more Vatican II document, but any other social justice encyclical, you name it after that. And you write little instructions, you know, whatever you want them to do. Write your summaries as posts below. And then we save it. Up here It'll save every few minutes. I don't know if you notice right here, it says draft saved at 5:32 a.m. That's on Pacific Coast time, but what it meant is that about a minute ago, it automatically saved all my work. So I'm just going to click Save again, and that has been saved. And so when a student comes on here and there's new post, they can add their own post. And however you want them to do, however many paragraphs of the encyclical you want them to take on, paragraphs 1 through 5, and maybe type their name or whoever they're working with. I forget if they're working at Partners or not. And then they can do all their posts below. Etc., etc., etc. And then after they're done typing their post, let's see. There we go. So back here, I'm going to go back to my other site that I had created. Cancel all this. Here are all the sites that I've worked on. This wiki sample I did before. I'm just going to click on it. It created as a social justice wiki. I made one called Rerum Novarum, and I had some people post things, or I posted one, and I wanted to see if another teacher could as well. So I posted this one thing, paragraphs 1 through 5, which is about the first 5 paragraphs of Rerum Novarum, and my little post pops up like this. So let's go back, and each time a student wants to add things, they either click New Post, or sometimes it comes up as a comment. I believe over if you do, yeah, under the homework tips. I didn't change the name of this tab, but the comments down here, they could add their information as comments as well. So that's how you create the social justice wiki. Play around with any template you like, but this is just one sample of that. And yes, it should be good. So any questions, we can share and talk about them as we see each other. So hopefully this was helpful, and good luck with these mid-year assessments.